In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a website shortcut on iPhone. So this is going to allow you to basically make a bookmark or a permanent bookmark on your actual home screen, and it's going to link to that website. So let's go to Safari and go ahead and find a website that you want to make a shortcut or an icon for that's going to sit on your home screen. As you see, I have a website here. So the only thing you really need to do here is go to the share icon at the bottom middle of your screen here. And then you want to scroll down and go ahead and hit add to home screen. So what we're going to do is go ahead and check off the Open as Web app. And now what we can do is go ahead and hit add. You can go in and change the name of the actual icon itself, but I'm just going to leave it as is. Go ahead and hit add at the top right hand corner. And as you see, the icon pops up automatically. So if I were to hit that icon, then the web page opens up automatically. So that's it. It's super simple and super easy to go ahead and make those icons. And that way you can reach that website any way or anytime you want.